Yo, what is up, guys? I'm here with Stasha. We're here at Turnstone, and so we're here volunteering, just helping. We wanted to stop and interview Stasha real quick and tell us a little bit about what Turnstone does.
Sure. So Turnstone's been around the community since 1943, and we serve people of all ages with disabilities. That's neurological, physical, developmental, and visual disabilities, all here in our community.
Wow, that's awesome. What is this place specifically? Like, because this we were talking about like bringing the guys. Actually, the guys are down there. What is this specifically?
Right, so Turnstone has a number of different programs and services, and our campus is pretty deceiving. It looks pretty small from the road, but you can pull in and you see the front of our building, which has our therapy, early learning center, but you keep moving and you see this large field house. So this is 4 collegiate-sized basketball courts and an indoor track. And this space specifically is home to our adaptive sports programs. So we have recreational level sports and activities, and we also have competitive sports teams that train here. Turnstone is home to a wheelchair basketball team, a wheelchair rugby team. We have a sled hockey team. We have 2 power soccer teams,